acquire, which you have already made plans how to acquire it. And if you tell me machines are free, why is it that the revenue from the machines is secured? And you say, the owner of the machine, whom I don't know, you know him, will take 80% of the revenue, I take 20%. And yet, I meet all efforts like power, workers will be mine. What nonsense is that? Duare, don't not talk from Nairobi. Come to the ground and see what's happening. Wacha hiyo siasa yako ya ukabila. We can expose you if you continue that way. Duare talks about collapse services in Nyamira. I do not understand. Duare has not been to Nyamira. I don't like him because we can expose him what he does with SHA. Like now, we are among the best 16 in terms of SHA registration. And in SHA payments, we are number 6. Yet the refund of SHA to Nyamira is number last. Can you ask why? He's been saying, I've given Nakuru, I've given Kisumu. Why not give a refund to Nyamira? And yet, the members of Nyamira are in number 6 in terms of compliance. So what better is to come to Nyamira and see for yourself. You are not my boss. Come and confirm our services are being given. Getting information from your friend whom you say Okongo Mugeni is misleading you and making provision not functional. I will also be concerned. But when we are functioning and we are improving, every now and then, you come and tell us that the services are broken down, and they say that there are free equipment which I have not been able to pick. If they are free, and I am worried about it. I know what's good to my people. The basic services and machines we have. What we don't have is MRI. Newe wa moko bori swaria na hata kamulo uri abarwaire. Ikia abarwaire mbaro. Wabata mungo na ravaro uboni biya usengaki. Ikiara a consumer is the best. Korigereria eyiduare akwana tegara kora chande nandi mamanyega umonde eduare tana wote Nyamira naango jikomaasa yongo waso musene toko kama mugeni rege tamangana ya senate okon timo jiso no korekana yotaria. Lakini asaba kewana mberi no minister oye se service chicho stokara chiridora kwanete sio singo karatora iyo ndotoro njari ko wala kama yoka ngeriye koro kwa MRI ndio aweso mpango na kitoka nyora. Otherwise chi equipment jimara we na no sora kwa na inaki ebinto bire gabusa Gine riwata ikomo kiri bintebi. Nina bosankara akwete. Muntu arene bintu mbira byabusa kararenga ngakibire byabusa. Ebintu ebi ekara kwa busayine eri. Iyo minegi amanyana ebintu ebyo oyo tamanyeti ndwara mumaete. Eka omubera arwariwe abajaji wesini gikomi. Nyaweta ariya kama 20%. 80% ya ndasa manyana equipment oyo tamanyeti. Iyo nesini gikomi omonta kana 20 chatigara na shingiro chatigara izaro sate chana jere ariya sha. Chajira so monta manyeti. Iyo na kio ndana konda komo ichi equipment manga na ngoko wakuru rajibanda omo ke equipment arabo amaripo amayaka wamuno okoro gazi ya silvari ekiara gara kwa mukiri machine vera niyo machine yo 80% ka yara sajoje ono yana 20%. Kwa 20% na yana waka estima. Chimashini yeji wetu mwesima na sana. Na 20% wakana rakori mwermu. Omanyane mashini yota rakorera buwara weko mamanyete aire 80%. Ino basimere mwego wase ino Colano. Evina hizo taiti. Iya mizatware mimate kwanga nijue seneta Okongo Omogeni. Ayongwana wajangamira na services inche collapsed. Aba antaranya mira mbara complain about the services they are getting. And you are not my boss. I deal with the people. What do you want employed? Awara wananchi. Okongo atawa na wasalia yeta janya mira Nairobi. Oche wawatare. Okuare na wawatari. Okuare na wawaire. Orare na services inche collapse. Kweli ya wrong. Lakini is kwa mkawa kwa harbunge wana wasali elieta yaseno maana bogara na wana kuriyo yiyo njelongia okomori bileta ete onye wewe ndeta de kwa dasani come to my office mutari ya utariyeji other services. Na and everybody ayu nanja nitena ki azama tukaya make inya yatari ya nyamura ya improve yekerage kubaja warenga mboyo abakori emirimo gokarabare yazi kwana nabarore eyingobya na yarose mbari kubwena mubara maiwa gara tatore gotuko ajaja go barisi mambuji ya yatari amariyo 100 million also fund. If you have a million, I have a sharing position. To have your invoice, to a claim Kurusha. If you have the right to land, you tarera, oh, mine. Once I was in it, Okongo,